Which full-face snorkeling mask is actually worth your time? Simple question, but you have to dig a little deeper to find the best option. Today, we're breaking down 5 masks that promise comfort, clarity, and fun beneath the waves. Product number 1, Chingsong Full-Face Snorkel Mask. Let's kick things off with the Chingsong Full-Face Snorkel Mask. Priced at $56.91, this mask caught my eye with its 180-degree panoramic view. If you want to experience a whole new world under the sea, this is worth a serious look. This mask provides a full-face design, allowing you to breathe comfortably through both your nose and mouth. The anti-fog and anti-leak features are game changers, with separate inhaling and exhaling channels that prevent fogging and a silicone seal that keeps salty water out. Over 1,000 units were sold last month, which really speaks to its demand. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of struggling with traditional snorkeling gear, this mask simplifies the experience, making it beginner-friendly. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or looking for ease, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. It's designed for comfort, and many find it a breeze compared to classic masks. This is perfect for you if you're a newbie to snorkeling or just want a hassle-free experience. Skip this one if you prefer something more streamlined or lightweight. For its price, you're getting great value for a solid snorkeling mask. Now, if the bulkiness of the Chingsong bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, HydroView Full-Face Snorkel Mask. Next up is the HydroView Full-Face Snorkel Mask, retailing at $37.92. The double float design caught my attention, making it stand out. If you want to snorkel without worrying about water entering your mask, this is definitely worth considering. The dual float ball design prevents water from entering the mask, ensuring you can focus on enjoying your underwater adventure. It has an upgraded breathing system with 4 breathing tablets, which makes inhaling feel much easier. With a 180-degree panoramic view, you'll be able to see everything around you without distortion. It's currently gaining traction with 900+ units sold in just a month. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a reliable anti-fog and anti-leak mask is crucial for an enjoyable snorkeling experience, especially for beginners. However, some users noted that it can take a bit to get used to the breathing mechanism. I'll be real with you, if you're looking for something intuitive, this might feel a bit strange at first, but once you adapt, it's a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers quality. Skip this one if you want a mask that feels more traditional. For the price, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a premium experience. Product number 3, Greatever G2 Full-Face Snorkel Mask. Now let's talk about the Greatever G2 Full-Face Snorkel Mask, which is priced at $37.94. I was impressed by its foldable design and the latest dry top system. If you're after a high-quality mask that offers ease of use and portability, this one is worth checking out. This mask features a panoramic view and a safe breathing system, thanks to its dual-channel exhaust valve. The anti-fog design is another standout feature, allowing for clear vision underwater. The Greatever has been selling well too, with around 400 units moving recently. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're someone who loves to snorkel often, the comfort and visibility of this mask will enhance your experience significantly. On the downside, some users found the mask a bit tricky to adjust at first. But honestly, with a little practice, most find it fits like a glove. Just give it a chance. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable mask that's both portable and effective. Skip it if you need something super user-friendly right out of the box. For its price, you're definitely getting a great deal. Now, if the Greatever's adjustment issues concern you, wait until you see the next product on our list. It's designed for comfort above all. Product number 4, Seaview 180 V3 Snorkel Mask. Next, we have the Seaview 180 V3 Full-Face Snorkel Mask. Priced at $88.53, this mask is a bit of an investment, but it promises a comfortable breathing experience. If you want to snorkel without feeling restricted, this is a fantastic option. This is super important if you're planning on spending a lot of time in the water. It also has a larger 180-degree viewing area that enhances your underwater experience. With safety-tested designs, you can snorkel with confidence. It has received positive attention with over 200 units sold last month. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want to dive deeper or stay longer in the water, this mask really helps you breathe easily. However, it's worth noting that some users mentioned it runs a bit small. But here's the thing, with 3 sizes available, you can find the right fit if you measure correctly. It might take a little time to get perfect, but the payoff is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want the best comfort and breathing experience. Skip it if you're looking for a budget option. The value is there if you're willing to invest. Now, if the price of the Seaview made you hesitate, the last product might just be the solution you're looking for. Product number 5. Greatever G2 Mask Alternate. Finally, we have another entry from Greatever, the G2 Full Face Snorkel Mask. This version also retails at $37.94. If you want an effective mask but at a more friendly price, this is a solid choice. Similar to the previous Greatever model, this one features a panoramic view and is designed with a removable camera mount. The design is quite user-friendly and it's been a hit, selling well over the past month. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for budget-friendly gear without sacrificing quality, this mask hits the mark. Some users did mention that the fit can be a little snug. But honestly, I found that adjusting it was straightforward, and once you have it right, the comfort level is impressive. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable mask with good features without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features or a super fancy design. For the price, you're definitely getting a great deal. So there you have it. We covered 5 great full-face snorkeling masks. From the budget-friendly Hydro View to the premium Seaview 180 V3, there's something for everyone. No matter your preference, you can find the right mask to enhance your underwater adventures. Happy snorkeling!